Did Mariah get in or she never got in?
Yes, we could see the screen.
So 9A? 9A in problem solving behind the red part.
Where are we?
Problem solving, 9A. Look at the page right here, problem solving.
Okay.
PS means problem solving. Problem solving is red. Find 9A. Come on. See. Found it, Adrina? Chloe? Your little head moving.
Where are we on? Skill
Problem solving.
problem solving.
Problem solving, the red part, 9A. So PS means problem solving, and it's in the red part, 9A.
Okay.
I don't know why they don't have page numbers. Once again, they were hopefully next binder has page numbers. Next 6 weeks.
Is it on the red page?
Yes, red. Takes forever.
Okay, I'm there.
Friday? It says Fridays. Okay, let's get started. 9A. A clothing store had its annual clearance sale. All types of shirts were on sale for $12 each. The store sold 144 dress shirts and 96 casual shirts. Which equation can be used to find the number of shirts sold?
Take away the dress shirts.
We're looking for the number of shirts sold.
You don't need the dress shirts.
Number of shirts.
36?
We're looking for the total number of shirts sold.
96.
We're missing our top part, that's for sure. How many different kinds of shirts were sold? There was 2 different kinds, wasn't there?
144 and 96.
144 and 96, yes. $12. I don't care how much they're worth. 96. We're looking for the number of shirts sold. Sojan, why can't you get in Canvas?
It just doesn't let me.
On what? What are you using? Because that's where we're turning in our work. So I don't know if you're doing, how I'm going to get grades from you. Like, are you using an iPad, a phone, a computer to try to get into Canvas, or what?
Listen on the.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes. It's a little
Hi,
glitchy.
this is Dad. Yeah, so I've been trying. I've called the school. I've talked with the school multiple times. We have the accurate code, we have the accurate username, and it never allows us to log in. I've tried the tech number, I've tried everybody, no one can help me. So I'm going to work on getting the packet from you all or something, a paper packet. But I don't have any way to log him into Canvas because no one can reset the password from CCID. Nobody can do anything. And we have the accurate one. I've been on the phone multiple times with the administration to verify that we have the exact letter for letter username and password, and it still does not work. They could not give me an answer as to why. They had no answer. They had nothing. They were just like, oh, we don't know what to tell you. So to be honest with you, it's kind of like we've been stuck with that. I am currently, like I said, working on getting with his mother so she can get their paper packet. But as far as getting on Canvas, that's been a problem we've had, and the administration has been absolutely no help as far as tech support. So.
Okay, I just thought he couldn't get it. I thought it was you were trying to get it, not him. Okay. Well, I know for the math test we have weekly, he has the I know he has those tests weekly, and I can work with you too in the coming days and coming weeks of trying to get, I guess, at least the reading test, because those are the grades for the week, and get a packet together at least of that, and then he can follow along. A lot of the work we do for reading and math, it's out of our books. So if he has all the books and stuff, he should be okay to do that. But I know the reading test, normally we would print them out and give them to him weekly, but they're online right now. So I'll have to figure out a way that we can get together and I can give you at least a weekly reading test.
Okay.
And then the math, if he has his books, right? Right, Zildjian? You have your books.
Yes.
Yeah. So most of what we do is out of the books anyway. So at least if he's finished that test, if you could take pictures, I guess, and email them to me would be the next, I guess, solution to getting grades. Like at least from the weekly test. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, that's what we did last year a lot too. So yeah, we'll work on that. And I'll email you, or if you can, if you see anything that's clearly missing that you have access to, that you can screenshot and send us to, or whatever. Send me anything you can. Mr. Numbers that he's missing, and we'll work collectively together to get that caught up.
Okay. Yeah, and I'll send, instead of doing the Nearpods, I'll find some pages that we've done, and I'll send you a picture of what they look like, and you can send me a picture back of what he's done, and I can use those as grades.
Sounds good.
We'll figure out a way.
Sounds fantastic.
Okay, guys. Problem solving. That's crazy. It doesn't work. See? I thought it was a parent one. Anyways, so what's our answer? Oh, what are we gonna do with these two numbers if we're looking for the total? I guess first.
Do I write it down on the 3 pieces of papers that I have, or
Add.
Yeah, we're gonna add, Chloe. So yeah. So what's our answer? 144. If you want to add them, you can. 96.
See?
That's crazy. I can't believe we will not let him in. I did not add that right. Oops. It's supposed to be a 2. Look at me. Forgive me. That's supposed to be a 2. It would be C. Yeah. Good job. I can't believe it doesn't work. Crazy. Easy technology becomes an issue. So let's see, 9B. Joel has 21 badges. This one's kind of tricky. 21 badges, has earned 21 badges as a Boy Scout. To earn a bicycling badge, he must ride a total of 84 kilometers. He will ride 7 kilometers per day. Which equation can be used to find the number of days it will take Joel to earn his bicycling badge?
Ms. Hernandez,
Yes.
every time when in 3rd grade or in 4th grade, I would hear my parents' name
Is that one of your
on a question.
Put the blanket down, Adrian. Go put it away, actually. Adrian. You should be working. This is school. This is not playtime. You have a problem that's going to be very similar to this on your Friday test. You're going to have to understand what information you need and what information you don't need. So, I already gave you a part of it. We know our total. So what strategy are we going to use since we know our total? I know Vida knows. What strategy are we going to use if we know our total? What?
We're gonna use
Get,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we know our total.
Holding my breath.
So we're gonna be multiplying.
Wait, so you would multiply, you would divide, and you would divide. We know our total, so are we going to be multiplying?
Oh no. Oh, I thought you said we didn't know our total. So I was like, we're gonna be multiplying.
Total, and then he will.
We're gonna divide because we don't have a group.
There you go.
Because seven per means like each.
Yep,
7 times 4.
per each, I think.
I mean, 7 times 84.
What?
It's 7 times 84.
Look,
No, 84
these,
divided by 7.
you're going to do that operation. You're going to divide. If we would have our total, we would have multiplied. That's why it's important to put these symbols by get, because if you're missing the groups, you're going to divide. If you're missing the in each group, you're going to divide. If you're missing your total, you're going to multiply.
I was holding my breath just to say get.
She
said she has
cakes. When
Mariah never got in.
they had white sheets
Maybe she did.
and
Mariah, you got in here? Where are you?
It just let me in.
Okay, problem solving.
I shoot the blanket, all of them came out.
What are we on? Problem solving 10A.
On our math binder.
Yep.
Someone got to wash.
Okay. I'll read number 10 while we wait for Mariah. The student council sold 9 burritos, 45 tacos, 108 soft drinks at the spring festival. Which equation can be used to find the number of burritos and soft drinks sold? The number of burritos and soft drinks. So what are we going to need to do? What numbers are we going to need?
What skills is it?
10.
Okay.
10. What numbers are we going to need here and not need here? Come on, wake up. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey.
Wait, it's a green see. You do not need 45 tacos.
Skills, I meant problem solving. My bad. Sorry. It's in red. Don't look at that top part. The top part.
We don't need 45 tacos.
We don't need 45 tacos. That sounds really good right now. Okay, so we need 9 burritos and we need 108 soft drinks. Do we know our total? Or is that what we're looking for?
That's what we're looking
Oh, okay. So what are we going to do with those two numbers we have?
We add them.
Thank you. Yeah, nice.
And then the number that we get, we're gonna multiply it.
What? We're just looking for our total. Now you are thinking.
Oh,
I don't know what you are thinking of now. We're not going to multiply by anything. You find it, Mariah?
that bullet's getting old.
That was easy.
Was it? That's. You have one on Friday that looks just like that. Mariah, you found it? I couldn't see if you were shaking your head. Can I throw away some of these paper?
Boom, boom, boom.
This one. Oops, I did. What I was looking for. I want y'all. I'm gonna read it, and I want y'all to answer this by yourself.
Okay.
Answer by yourself. In 4th grade, Janice weighed 87 pounds and was 59 inches tall. In 5th grade, she weighed 106 pounds and 64 inches tall. Which equation can be used to find the difference in weight in those 2 years? So your difference, what does difference mean?
Minus.
Minus. And then you're looking at weight. Get rid of what you don't need that isn't weight. Jeez, I just logged out of mine. See if y'all can solve this.
Got the answer.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get some drink. I'm thirsty.
Let's see.
Do we write our get?
What are we doing here? Earlier we used difference. Adrian said difference means subtract. Does get have subtraction in it? Subtract. Get is only for multiplication and division.
Yeah. I got some drink. Can't wait to drink this. It's gonna be so good.
I wonder if Audrina has it yet. There's a lot of numbers in there. You're only going to be using 2.
That's pretty
Looking
easy.
for the difference in her weight.
You already don't need the plus, so we got 50-50 with the minuses.
Oh, yeah. Adrian said you don't need the plus, so you got 50-50. Okay, no more Adrian.
Okay. I'm too smart.
What would be faster for
Jenny.
It's pretty obvious to see what the answer is.
Yeah.
I mean, like,
So easy. It's so easy. My God.
once you're ready, figure out the equation in the mind.
Can't wait when I learn more.
Miss, I'm done with the quiz.
Okay. Did you submit your answers?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. We're just finishing up on problem solving if you want to follow along.
Okay.
So we're looking for difference in weight.
So good Kool-Aid.
Adrian, you've already answered enough. Thank you, though. Let's see. Who can tell me what numbers we don't need here?
87.
106?
That we don't need? Or that we need?
Don't need?
Don't need.
Adrian, you better go back and look at that. The difference in weight. If she weighed 87 pounds, that's weight, isn't it?
She doesn't need
Also,
59.
and also, we don't need 64 inches tall. They're only, it said
They're only doing it by weight.
weight during 2 years.
Y'all that were telling me otherwise. Weight.
Following number has a 8
Because
with the
you don't need the inches because it says the difference in her weight during these years.
You're looking for the
286. One's 10s, one's 10.
Why do we need 80? Why would we need 59 inches tall? That's not going to help us. We're looking for difference in weight.
No.
So what's our answer?
It's H.
It's clearly H.
Look, yeah.
Today. We should have been doing,
Clearly.
no. What is today? Hold on. We might need a few more just because.
More?
Yeah. Let me see. I wanted to have.
I totally forgot. I should have not wasted one Kool-Aid bottle.
More. Let's do, flip it over to the back side. Skills 11.
Okay.
You're gonna do more of these. You're gonna be doing them by yourself for the most part. Adrian? So,
What?
I'll read it. For her summer reading program, Morgan needs to read a book that has a total of 835 pages. She has read 42 pages a day for 9 days. Which of the following shows the number of pages she has read so far?
What is it?
What?
Which one is it?
11A. Can y'all see my screen, Andrina? My paper?
It's on the back of what we just did.
On the back side of what we just did. Yay.
We can see your screen.
Sure. Sometimes you're asking me like, where's the page at? And it's just the back side. Eleven A. Wakey, eggs and bakey.
I'm very like.
So we need to figure out the number of pages she's read so far. So, woo. What are we gonna do? I know the answer, it sounds like. That's what he wants to do. The number of pages she's read so far. Ooh. What number are you rid of? Natalie, I don't want you answering. Vida, I don't want you
Dang it.
How about me?
answering. New. Andrina, you want to help? I know Andrina normally knows what we're doing for the most part. So, what number can we get rid of, Audrina, that we don't need to know about? Chloe? Adrian.
Sorry, so good.
You know, Audrina?
35.
Yes. 835 we don't need.
Boom, daga, laga, boom, boom, daga.
So we can go through our answer choices and get rid of the numbers that have 835 in it. So
Okay.
if she's read a total, okay. When they talk about day, think of per. When you hear the word per or each, what strategy are you going to use? Mariah?
Hit.
It. I don't think that was Mariah.
I'm sorry, that was me,
Yeah,
Natalie.
that was not. So how many pages per day does she read?
Mm,
Two.
Ah.
42. And then how many days does she read would be groups would be 9. Jacob, what are we going to do here to find the total?
I already got it.
What is it?
We're
C.
gonna be multiplying.
We're going to multiply. Yeah, good job. I just wanted to make sure because earlier you said, are we going to, I think divide. Just want to check. Okay.
Easy.
That one was kind of easy.
I had to drink my Kool-Aid.
Okay. 11B.
So good.
Hold on.
What the heck? Stop drinking Kool-Aid. So good.
Sorry. It came on. They have announcements for us.
What was it?
I don't know. 11B. Mr. Murphy had a picnic for his 40 employees. He ordered 45 pounds of sliced beef and 9 pounds of chopped beef for the picnic. Which of these shows the number of pounds of beef Mr. Murphy ordered?
We don't need
They don't
Had a
need 40
picnic for
employees.
40.
Yes, Audrina, I
Yeah,
heard.
we don't need it.
I heard Audrina. I like that she's talking finally. Don't be scared to talk. Eventually, we're gonna get back to the classroom.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear
I
you.
can hear you, yes, but I heard Audrina's little quiet voice in the background.
Oh, sorry.
Well, I want to hear different people because some of y'all always speak up. That's why sometimes I put y'all in a breakout room because y'all always speak up. I should have done it for these two problems. So we're looking for the total number of pounds of beef Mr. ordered. So you can do a strip diagram. And we only have two numbers left. This one's hard.
One of them has to get out of the family.
So
And they move out.
I think when you're using strip diagrams, you're either adding or subtracting, correct? And get, you're going to divide or multiply, right? I think that's how it works. I don't think you would really ever multiply to in a strip diagram.
I got the answer. I just did it in my mind. Easy.
That's a scary dog. The amount of pounds of beef that Mr. Murphy ordered, what are we going to do with those two numbers we have? We're looking for the total number. Adam, because we got a strip diagram down here. Yes, 9 and 45. Like I said, with strip diagrams, I believe you're either going to add or you're going to subtract. And then when you're using get, you're going to multiply or divide. I have to double check that, but I think that's the way it works.
Yeah, it probably is.
Help me on it, but I think that's the way it works. Okay. You can add those two. How many pounds of beef did he order? Oh, why am I multiplying? What is it? 54? 54 pounds of beef. That's a lot. Okay.
Oh, I thought there's 19.
Smell like cookies.
Skills. Skills in your, what color skills? Green?
Yeah, Skittles.
Green?
Skills 9? No, skills are screen.
Skills are
Yep.
green. I think it's 10.
Skittles.
I think we're one behind. Which
Oh,
we, I
that's
can hear
skills.
this one. Skills 10. It's in your green.
Okie dokie.
Whoa, I didn't think to do it like that. Yes.
I thought you meant the food Skittles.
No.
What the heck? Why would we have Skittles right now?
Come on.
Would be nice.
I have cookie hair. It smells like
What the?
I think you have.
Maybe you have cookies in your hair. Maybe that's where you're spelling.
Skills 10?
conditioner cookies.
Skills 10. Are we ready? We have skills 10 or we're still looking? It's in the green. Look for skills 10. Natalie, you can work these down on your paper.
Fine. We'll do that. Is.
I think I passed it. Just keep swimming. Okay, found it.
Okie dokie.
The cookie smells in my head.
What do you say?
I'm going to keep you permanently
No, it's in
muted.
my head.
I do shit because I cannot hear you because other people are talking.
I can hear you. I said I'm going to keep you permanently muted if you don't stop. All I hear is you. Where is... No, he's not here. Okay, let's start on A. Actually, let me see. Some of you are going to leave me. Some of you are leaving me and going into breakout rooms.
Okay. It smells like perfume and it smells really good, but I have a red mark now because I was sniffing it.
Okay, make sure y'all accept this thing when y'all get it. 2 of y'all. Okay. Make sure y'all that have it accept it. Oh.
Can we just do it?
Yeah, y'all have 5 minutes. Perfect. Created 5 minutes. All right, the rest of y'all are working with me. For A, 48 times 8. What are we going to do first? Come on. It's going to be quiet.
$34?
8 times 8?
Uh-huh.
Try again. What is 8 times 8?
64?
64. So we put our 4 down there. 4 and carry your 6.
And 4 times 8 is 32?
32 plus 6?
38?
Yeah. I think. Good job, Chloe. B. 7 times 6. Somebody besides Chloe.
Oh. Cricket, cricket.
I know, because there's nobody else. That's why they're with me. Jacob, you're still here, so you're going to help us. Jacob, come on, help us answer B.
Cricket.
What's 7 times 6?
I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, okay?
Hurry.
42.
42. Carry your 4. And then we got 6 times 6.
36?
36 plus 4?
70?
36 plus 4?
40.
40, yeah. 40.
Oh.
What about C? Who else wants to help me? Ray, you want to help me with C?
Sure.
I know it's kind of you got stuff going on in the back. Have you answered C yet?
No, not yet. I can't really hear because my little sister's doing her schoolwork too.
Okay, can you answer that and put your answer in the chat for me, okay?
$34?
7 times 4? I think you're a little too high. Need the chart? I need to see if Ray put it in the chat yet.
28?
28. There we go. He's answering. Let's see if he can get the right one. And then
6 times
Don't forget our 2.
$26.
Yeah, there we go. Now we got
Do your thing.
And then add 2.
Y'all came back already?
28.
Somebody's mom's not happy in the background.
Oh no, it's because my dog.
28.
And he barks and we're trying to do it.
There's a lot of parents that are frustrated right now. I don't know how. I don't know how I would be doing if I was a
Mr.
if I had
Hernandez.
my own kids. I know I couldn't be teaching and then have my own kids have to teach after work. That would be a whole
Hernandez.
level. Yes.
Is it 28 because we added 2?
It's 24, 25, 26, 26. So we had 2. Right? Is that what y'all got on that one? Did y'all work on these? Y'all better have worked on these. Audrina, what you got?
So then add 288.
I did.
Yeah, you got 268. Vida, just shake your head. Okay. Ooh, Audrina, I don't know if she got it or not. She didn't answer. Okay, let's do this one. This one wanted to trick y'all up. 3 times 3.
Is 9.
9.
All right, we're moving here. 4 times 3.
12, but you're gonna put the 12
Yes,
in, not 1.
we're in class, and when we get back to class and I needed a friend in math, I would pick like Vida, Natalie, maybe
29.
Adrian, Audrina, just because they're really good at math, it seems like so far. And then,
429.
oh, did you get it right? Yes, Chloe.
She got it right. She got it right.
Oh, yeah, 429. Good job. All right, the word problems, because they have words, they get confusing. Are you getting this, AJ? You can shake your head, yes.
AJ's not in the meeting.
I didn't, Randy, was that you? I didn't hear you. That was you.
AJ is not in the meeting. It is me.
Yeah, he is. I see him. He's wearing a red jacket. You seemed like he was pretty good the last time with math. All right,
Mr. Hernandez, can I read it?
Oh.
go ahead. Yeah.
An ice cream truck delivered 64
Pints. So pints, that's the little things of ice cream that you can get.
Oh, I did that yesterday.
The little things you get from,
pints
you're going to get from HB. Go ahead.
to a grocery store. Each day for 3 days. What was the total number of pints delivered in 3 days?
I think it says the total. So, how many we're looking for total? And we have each. What are we going to set up here? If you're lost on what we're going to do with those numbers. Each. Chloe, I know you know. What do we set up here?
Add
This was one of the word problems yesterday.
It was. We're going to do it again. Each. We never have too many.
GET. Get.
Huh?
Get.
Get. Yeah, each. Get. Yes. Because then some of y'all, if you don't know what you're going to do, some of y'all would just add 64 and 3. And I can tell you, you are probably not ever going to have math that easy in 4th grade. Ever. Just a heads up. If it seems too easy, then it's probably too good to be true. So, each day, so there's 3 days and then 64. So what are we going to do to find our total?
Times.
Multiply.
There you go, 64 times 3. Good job.
Toby. Toby.
My camera's on.
Hold it, hold it,
Hey, come here.
Toby, no.
Sorry.
Hold his feet.
Oh, learning from home is so different than being in school.
192.
Let's see. So,
Sorry.
it's okay. I think it's funny.
It's my doggo.
Funny, 190. Yes, Chloe. It's
And then
interesting.
there's room service over here, so it's just like.
It's
and there-
interesting.
Are you at a hotel now?
And then my yes. And then my dog's just like, who is this person? So I'm just like,
It's interesting.
stop barking. And like my sister's doing school too, so it's kind of hard.
Yeah. Blake jogs 45 minutes per day or every day. How many minutes will he jog in 4 days? When you see the word days or per week or per day, you're probably going to use what strategy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So get
Get is our friend.
is your friend. So is a strip diagram. If you know how to use it, it can be your friend. You'll use this one for sure a lot in 4th grade, for sure. 'Cause there's a lot of multi-step problems where you'll have to find your total and then you'll have to divide by something, which we'll get into later. So, how many minutes did he read?
Am I allowed to answer?
Yeah, go ahead.
45.
And I'll give you a hint. When you're looking for your total, these numbers don't have to be in a specific place because we know we're gonna multiply. So if you would have put 45 up here and then 4 here, you still know you're gonna multiply, right? So it doesn't matter if you put 45 up here or you put it here. Got it? Okay.
Toby. His collar is annoying. Okay, so 5 times 4. No.
What'd you get, Chloe?
180.
Ah, there you go. You're getting better with these factors.
Toby.
Miss Hernandez,
Yes.
I think this question was on our Nearpod.
Yeah, it was on our Nearpod. We're just going backwards and doing it again.
Okay.
Because we're kind of behind. We're behind in the book, but we're like on pace on our Nearpod.
Yes, I got the answer.
Yes, they are in your book. We're behind out of the book, but we're on fast in the Okay. Me on muting just because we're gonna watch a video. So yesterday, we'll get to this in a second. Yesterday we talked about angles. We talked about, I'll tell you all the page in a few seconds, or in a little bit once you get done with our videos. So yesterday we talked about angles. We talked about acute, obtuse, and right. Who can tell me one characteristic or something important about a right angle?
It has a square.
It has a 90-degree square on it all the time.
Square, which makes it 90 degrees. Thank you. Yes, an acute angle. What does an acute angle look like? Is it open wide or is it kind of tiny, like tiny, like a baby? It's cute. It's small. They're tiny.
It's tiny?
It's tiny, yeah. It's going to be, I don't have my papers. It's going to be between, let me put my papers again.
Big, but the arrows are close.
Oh, look, I forgot I have these.
So, remember, the corner of any paper you have is 90 degrees. An acute angle is going to be anything in between these two pink lines here. So, any corner of your paper out of your book is going to be 90 degrees. So anything in between those two pink lines is going to be an acute angle. And then if it's outside of these two pink lines, either way, it's going to be what type of angle? Acute or obtuse?
Sorry.
I think I heard you say obtuse.
Abuse.
Obtuse. You're close. Obtuse. Obtuse.
Acute.
You're close. I know where you're trying to say. Yes, it's obtuse. Or like I said, obese, because obese is kind of like big and not good for you. And then acute's tiny and small. Think of a cute baby. So let me.
Acute, and then it's called acute.
Yes.
So
Hold on. Let me go back to those videos from yesterday, and we're gonna watch a couple. You're gonna be like, I don't want to watch those videos. I already know. You're gonna watch them anyways.
Shit, because those videos are cool.
I can't.
You're gonna watch them anyways. Because now
You should watch those videos because they're actually cool.
Now we're going to apply what we know about angles to triangles and how we're going to determine what type of triangles. Bye. Watch that later on.
Mostly all the songs are mostly from number.
Now I wonder if it has triangles though. Type of triangles. Oh yeah, classifying triangles. Y'all, I think y'all did classifying triangles last year, right?
I didn't.
Maybe.
I don't think so.
I don't remember. Can y'all see the video? Okay. I don't remember what. I don't really know what y'all went into 3rd grade.
Isosceles triangle.